"Oh, Priscilla," puffed Penelope, "I love surprises. But how can we keep it a secret from Pearl? Her birthday present is very important." "With difficulty, I foresee, Penelope." "Hum, hum, how can it be done?" sang Priscilla. "Ha! I have an idea. You know we need an idea, first of all." "Yes, yes, tell me, Penelope," puffed Priscilla. "Well, we could make a cake." "Puffins aren't really very good at making cakes, Penelope." "Hum, hum, how can it be done?" sang Priscilla. "Well, you know Pink Shell Cove?" "Yes," said Penelope with a trembling puff. "You mean where Slimy Simon Seagull and his gang live?" "Yes, well, I have a puff-tastic idea. We could collect lots and lots of pretty pink shells and make a precious necklace for Pearl's birthday. But Priscilla, you are forgetting one tiny little detail. Slimy Simon." "No, no, Priscilla, I'm too scared," whined Penelope. "Slimy Simon Seagull is just a bully, Penelope. I have a plan. Listen, we have to create a diversion." "What's a diversion, Priscilla?" puffed Penelope. "A distraction?" "Yes, Penelope. Something that will get Slimy Simon and his gang away from the cove for a while. Enough time for us to collect lots and lots of precious pink shells. Listen, Penelope. Periwinkle Pat always goes fishing in his blue boat early in the morning in front of Pink Shell Cove, and Slimy Simon and his gang are always flying above the boat, hoping to get some fish." "Yes, Priscilla, you're right," puffed Penelope. "Well, bingo! That's our opportunity. Hey ho, here we go. Hey ho, here we go," sang Priscilla. The next morning, Priscilla and Penelope arrived at Pink Shell Cove. Penelope had her pink bag around her neck for the shells. Pat Periwinkle was already fishing in his blue boat, and just as Priscilla had predicted, Slimy Simon Seagull and his gang were swooping above the boat, hoping to get a tasty snack. "Priscilla," puffed Penelope, "let's start collecting the shells, but quickly. I can see Slimy Simon returning. I'm a petrified puffin." "Penelope, don't panic. Here you are. Look at how many shells are already in your bag. Now off we go, back to the cottage, to secretly make the necklace for Pearl's birthday tomorrow." "How exciting!" they both puffed. "And it's almost time for tea."